As y'all can tell by the title of the video, that shit.
You don't think it's a masterpiece? I think it's beautiful. Critical. You just can't think, oh, this shit good. So let me just give it a high number. You feel me?
What am I thinking critically about?
I see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Keep It Up with PMP. That's me. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If y'all returning, what it do? Boo! As y'all can tell by the title of the video, that shit. Me and my sister, come in the camera. Jeez. Me and my sister, my little sister, Jamelia.
This light makes me look bored. Well, I'm
alright, anywho. We making Rice Krispy Treats today. So, alright, y'all. So, you know, the first step before, you know, cooking and touching any products is
wash your hands.
Your girls gotta wash your hands.
Wash your freaking hands, Ben. Oh.
Oh, God. So, we about to wash our hands. Then we about to get into it.
That's it. That's it. Ew. I think y'all.
Oh, my gosh. Alright. So first we got Rice Krispies, got the Jet Puff Minis. We also got some more just in case. Signature Selection, quality guaranteed mini marshmallows. We got these cups, measuring cups.
We got the spatula. High quality.
We got stick of butter. And then pots. Cheers. First things first, get over here. This is what between you and us. All right, you can't stop the rain. Don't act like this ain't us. Come on. All right, so honestly, we about to go over there to the stove. Hold on, y'all. Okay, ready? Let's go. So we using the catalog Rice Krispy Treat recipe. So it say in large saucepan, melt butter over low heat, add marshmallows and stir until completely melted. Add help. Okay. Y'all, she's trying to be funny because even though I can't reach a lot of things because I ain't that tall.
Oh, no, okay. I'm like, damn, basketball player? Oh my God, I was gonna call my best friend. I told him how tall I was. He was like, why you ain't no basketball player?
So I'm low key. If you tell the world, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you. If I let this go, you can look until I know. I hope you're responsible.
So we're gonna put that. Okay. Turn it to low. Low. Oh, the butter is buttering. It's melting. We got it on low. Y'all, like our new stove is cute, ain't it?
It's rich.
Giving us rich bitch vibes.
You get mad at the butter for not butter?
No, I'm getting mad at you for eating. I should. That's not funny. Hey, you need this. So One of the marshmallows in. Well, she poured them in already.
Not all of them. Use some like butter.
It says 3 tablespoons. So. But it
Should I
say
put
put the whole bag in there. Okay, put the whole bag in there.
Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. And whatever comes too quick. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. My favorite part, we see the lights, they got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the it's on the wrist, so make it charm, yeah. My hair is good, like a heart. We could die all done. We could die all long.
We got the Rice Krispies with holiday colors, so they red and green. So this one we got, so it say we need 6 cups, so my sister about to put them in the cups and I'm about to stir it. So y'all about to see us do that. Go ahead. Got it? Alright, y'all.
Go ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good lord, good gracious. Staring at my dome while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Information, take vacation to Malaysia. My baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She on the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Look at my mansion, 20,000 painting Picasso. To be dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho. Took up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. Chipping it with the color working on the bachelor. You gotta pass, I gotta pass. It's in the back of the average. I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch. I'm out of it. You slide on all your nights like this.
Y'all, look at it. Oh, they look good. Okay. Want me to start? Yeah, we can start.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight.
Y'all, look at y'all, she eating it. I'm gonna kick your ass, Meal. Okay, but I'm about to spray this. It says 13 bag whatever, but we ain't got 13 bag whatever, so we gonna work with what we got. Got to use what you got to get what you want. So, alright, that should be enough.
Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the side. And whatever comes too quick. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part, we see the lights, they got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach.
Alright, so we got it. Alright, so we got it. As you seen, I just mashed it out with my hands. And now, but as I seen, I just mashed it out with my hands, whatever, and we're gonna wait for 2 minutes. It's so 7:05, and I'm gonna use a pizza cutter to cut it or whatever, cause to cut it in squares. So yeah, so we gonna come back to y'all when we cut it.
We gon' light up and burn up. Mama too hot like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds don't shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good lord, good gracious. Staring at my dome while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Information, take vacation to Malaysia. My baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She on the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Look at my mansion, 20,000 painting Picasso. To be dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho. Took up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. Chipping it with the color working on the bachelor. You gotta pass, I gotta pass. It's in the back of the average. I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch. I'm out of it. You slide on all your nights like.
Alright, y'all, so I think we did pretty damn good. What you think? She fucking that shit up, y'all.
I think we did good.
But we did pretty good. So we gonna taste them for y'all on camera. All right, y'all. So come over and hear me, yo. So we got a little water cause it's sugary. So get you a slice. Okay. So she got 2 slices, and I'm gonna just get this because it's big right here.
Okay, you ready?
So come on, let's go. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's so good.
I fell down the stairs at Target.
What you think? They good.
Yeah.
That's how mommy was in her face. It's like my mama though. It's right look good on me. And I just can't sit on the camera now.
Y'all eat right Krispy Treats.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah, look, she missing out because she ain't want to be here.
Hey,
That ain't good.
that's what's up.
Right, let me try.
Chicken stuff tomorrow.
Oh, wait, ain't really good. Oh, yeah.
But y'all prefer to beat all that stuff up, though. Ooh, those are pretty.
I know.
Y'all did y'all thing on the Rice Krispies.
So, yeah.
I'm not thirsty.
Okay. Adios. We just caught it rubbing in your face.
It's cool, little mama.
Toodles. Oh. They good, but of course you're gonna need a little water. So,
We should make this a series.
so go listen to series.
Like a cooking series with my little sister.
Oh, that's cool. They good, but you know how like when you eat so much sugar overload, you be needing water. But they fire though. And I like that I use the pizza cutter because they actually, you know, fine. They see. It's just act like you eating your pizza.
It looks like a piece.
It do.
Give me that money.
So you think this is successful?
I get a 7.5 out of 10.
You get what, a 7.5 out of 10?
You're gonna be like, this is what we're gonna be like when we, you know, doing our little cooking series, we're gonna rate.
So, okay.
Oh my god!
Okay, no. Rate the experience of making it and then rate what we made. So, what you rate the experience?
A 9.5.
I rated it 10. It was cool doing this with my sister. So, yeah. Now, what you rated as far as taste?
7.5.
I think this is an 8.5. I think it's a 9. I think the shit is good. She think that shit is good too. She just probably is.
You gotta think critical. You just can't think, oh, this shit good. So let me just give it a high number. You feel me?
What am I thinking critically about?
I don't know how chefs do. And I think about it now, it's Gordon Ramsay. So this, he will get this shit a 4. But you know, we'll give this shit a 0. But bitch, I'm gonna give it a 7.5.
Why you think Gordon would give our shit a 0? I think our shit is a masterpiece if you ask me. You don't think it's a masterpiece?
I think it's beautiful.
Overall, it was a good experience, and I feel like I look like the Muppet Man. I enjoy doing this with my sis. You enjoy doing it with me?
It was cool.
They don't do that.
I tried this. I used.
They don't answer the question. But make sure y'all like, comment, and what meal? Subscribe to your girl. Turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a video. When your girl people the video on. I'm sorry. That's just. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you know when your girl people the video on. And
we can go out and then ooh.
And we
gonna knock you bitches out.